我们把 iPad 放在上面。
Then we can put the iPad on the operation desk.
首先，我们要展示一下，这是一个真正的苹果 iPad。
This is the original Apple iPad. It is in good condition.
这是完好的。
It is good.
好，我们把它放在上面。
Okay, now let's put it on the desk.
我们把它关机。
Okay, let's power off.
这时候温度是在加热状态。
This time the temperature is in heating condition.
你可以看到温度在上升。
You can see the temperature frame. The temperature is rising up now.
这个时候我们需要等待4到5分钟。
We need to wait for 4 to 5 minutes this time.
你不需要担心，因为温度过高，iPad 受损。
You don't have to worry about damage of the iPad by high temperature.
因为这个过程都是自动的。
As it is automatically procedure of this process.
当温度过高时，它会自动停止工作。
This tool will shut down automatically when the temperature is too high.
这个 CPB 的好处是因为你再也不需要用吹风机了。
The advantage of this new CPB tool is you don't need to use the hair dryer again. It will be very efficient.
整个过程都是很安全的。
It is very safe during the process.
而且这是非常简单的。
It's so easy. Everybody can do it.
好，我们这时候需要等待，当这个表面会有一些雾气出现的时候，我们可以试着开始拆
We
屏。
need to wait. Then, when there is some spray around the iPad screen, this is the time for detection.
你可以看一下这个绿色的数值，它会往下倒计时。
You can also to check the countdown time.
这个时候是20，当到15的时候，我们可以开始拆机。
It shows 20 minutes now. We can begin to detection when the time down to 15 minutes.
好，我们等待一会儿，我们
Okay,
接
let's
着
wait for a minute. Wait for several minutes.
5分钟后我们再回来。
We came back 5 minutes later.
我们现在已经看见屏幕上有水雾了。
Now the spray has appears.
我们开始拆机。
Let's begin to detach the screen.
这是有点烫，
It is really hot.
我们用吸盘。
But we don't worry. We have a good helper. It's already stuck.
我们试一下这个胶是不是已经软化。
Let's try to whether the visco is softened or not.
这里要注意一点啊，如果你是拆 iPad 2、3、4。
You should pay attention to some details. If you deterging the machine is the iPad 2, 3, 4, you need to pay attention to several.
你会遇到一些电线。
At risk.
这里的 WiFi 电线
In
天
this
线。
location, it has some
和那里
Wi-Fi
的
cable, and in this
电源线，
location they have some power line. You
这
should
是
speed down your. You should slow down your speed.
这是需要注意一点。
This you should be take care.
好，我们开始拆，
Okay, now let's begin to detach.
这个要小心一点。
You should be careful.
沿着这个边缘轻轻的往上推。好，我们慢慢。现在的温度是85摄氏度。
Now the temperature is 85 degree.
你不用担心温度，它会自动调整。
You don't need to worry about the temperature. The machine it can adjust by itself. The touching looks so easy.
我们开始推开，慢慢。
We can push it up.
OK，
Okay, now we made it.
我们现在关闭加热
Now
装置。
let's shut down the tool.
一直按住红色按钮可以关闭 CPB。
Press the red button for several minutes, several seconds. The tool will be powered off.
好，欢迎你们使用 CPB。
Welcome to use this CPB tool. Thank you.